Jackson, first time off lead, being a very good boy. Oh, go on, off you go. Go. What? What? I don't want you. Here. Very plastered in mud, as you can see. He's been galloping around, doesn't seem to mind about the water. Met a few people, he's chatted to a few dogs. Go on then. A bit wary of the people, as we thought. Barked and backed off a bit, but I did stand chatting to somebody I know quite well. And he did come and was happy milling around with us once he'd settled down, but he has got this wariness about strangers. It's good in some ways, it means he doesn't go and mug strangers. Go on then, off you go. Good boy. No, don't come and tell me. His recall seems to be pretty good. I don't know why he's not disappearing. He was disappearing earlier. I didn't have the camera out to see if I go see what the girls are doing. He's not quite sure on this deeper bit of marsh. But he's going to have a look. Good lad. As you can see, he's having to wear my other harness because the red one that Brody was wearing was too big for him. Which doesn't mean he's particularly small, it's just that Brody was particularly big. Travelled well down here in the car. I usually travel on the back seat. He did start on the lead for the first part of the walk, and then for a bit on a long line, bearing in mind he's only young, so he doesn't want to be off too long anyway. So once he's done this running around here and then perhaps 5-10 minutes on the beach, I'll probably put him back on the lead again. And he does walk quite nicely on the lead, I have to say. You know, it's a longish lead and I let him have a sniff and things, but he's not pulling my arms out or anything, even when my girls are bustling around initially. So can't complain. Let's see what happens if I whistle. Probably nothing. Come on then! Yes, good boy! Well, he's not used to the whistle. Good lad! Bear in mind he's not whistle trained. Good boy! Come on then. Good boy, Jackson! Here. Here. Good lad. What a good boy. Free. Come on then. Good lad. Ah, Lizzie. Good girl, Lizzie. And the other two assumed it wasn't meant for them. But I suppose they know I normally whistle and call, and they perhaps, if I'd insisted, but they're busy hunting these invisible mice that they're so keen on. Right, that's probably enough for now. I'll get off down to the beach proper and give him 5-10 minutes on there and see how we go. Okay.